All the largest boiling capacity HydroTap G5 units come with a booster. The booster is an external heater that needs its own power supply. To install the booster, remove the wall bracket from the rear of the booster using a flat blade screwdriver. The bracket needs to be installed on the cupboard wall near the command centre. Connect the supplied hoses to your booster. The insulated hose to the hot or red connection and the braided hose to the cold or blue connection. Fit the booster back on the wall bracket. Remove the hot water bypass loop from your command centre. Connect the insulated hose to bypass in and the braided hose to bypass out. Then plug the booster into the power point and switch it on. Once the command centre has finished calibration, press Booster Installed to complete the setup.